Alright guys, I salute you all once again. Today I'm going to teach you how to earn 13 million SPOREs. So I'll be leaving the referral link in the description box, those on YouTube and those on WhatsApp too. You can get it on the WhatsApp platform. If you are on YouTube and you want to join us on WhatsApp, you can also join through the WhatsApp link in the description box. So when you tap on the the link in the description box, it will redirect you to Telegram bot like this. So what you have to do is go to start. So when you go to start, it will ask you to enter this captcha. So 7 plus 8 is 15. Then you enter, you send. So after you send, you have to follow all these channels. So the first one, you tap on it, you join, you go back, you tap the second one, you join, you go to the third one, you join, you go back to the fourth one, you join, you go back to the fifth one, you join, then you go back, then you follow them on Twitter. I've followed them already. That I'm just doing a video with another account. So this one, it says join withdrawal proof. So you can see that as I'm doing the video right now, the time is 9:28, as you can see from here. So I want to teach you something. Look at this time. The time also here is 9:20. It means they've just paid somebody 90 million SPORE. 90 million SPORE. So that's the withdrawal paid. You can see it from here. So then you join that one too. Then you go back, you go to continue. So you go to done. So the next thing that you have to do is go to bonus. You claim the daily bonus. So every day you have to come and claim 10 million SPORE. 10 million SPORE. So what you have to do next is to go to their token information. Then you get your contract address, then you tap on it, it will copy. Then you go back to Trust Wallet. So I'm going to the Trust. Alright, so there's the Trust Wallet. Is to copy to set in the contract address that you've just copied. So you have to go to the symbol on top here. When you tap there, you go to the plus on top, the plus symbol. Then you go to the network here, you pick for Ethereum. So you tap on it, then go to Avalanche. You go and set Avalanche. So this is the Avalanche C chain. Then you paste in. Alright, so it picked, and then you paste in the address that you copied. It will fill automatically like this. Then you save it. So after you save this, it will come like this. So what you have to do next is to copy your contract address. So you go to receive, then you copy your contract address, you go back to the Telegram bot. So there is it. So what the contract address that you've copied, what you have to do is go to set wallet. So when you go to set wallet, they will ask you to change, then you paste in the address. I've done mine already with one account, so I can't use it for another account. So you just have to go to the set or change Avalanche wallet, then you paste in your address, then you submit. So like this, it says you paste, then you submit, but I don't want to submit it. Alright, so that's how it is. So the next thing, that after you submit, you can go to your referral link. You can see referral. Anytime that you refer anybody, you get 10 million SPORE, 10 million SPORE, and daily to go there and claim your daily bonus. When you minimum 30 million, when you get 3 people, you can withdraw. When also daily you 30 million, with the 10 million, you can also withdraw 3 days. Thank you. Keep this in mind. Do your own research before joining any airdrop project. Also, is 100% free. Don't send any fee or penny for any airdrop. Just join airdrop for free. Please remember that not every airdrop project will succeed. Thank you for being with Dice Media TV. If you are today is the first time that you are joining us, kindly subscribe to our channel so that any point in time we post in any airdrop, you'll be the first person to enjoy from that. Thank you.